Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I'm Keke. If you have not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button down below. Turn your post notifications on so you get notified whenever I post a new video, because trust me, you do not want to miss this face. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this video. And don't forget to hit that thumbs up button if you like this video. Let's get into it. So for today's video, I'm going to be trying to define my 4C hair. My hair is very thick. I just washed it, so it's kind of damp still. But with this process, you don't want your hair to be too dry and you don't want your hair to be too wet. I'm gonna be using the eco black castor oil and flaxseed oil gel, this one. And instead of using water, I'm going to be using this rosemary leave-in or rosemary water that I have for a while now. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it up or in the description down below. It will pop up somewhere, just know it's going to pop up somewhere. But yeah, before I get started, I'm just going to separate my hair into 4 or 6 sections, because as I said before, my hair is short, yes, but it's really thick. I'm not gonna do all my hair on camera. I don't know how to sit down and do that. I cannot do that. So I'm gonna start with the front section. Well, I'm gonna do the front section and the first back section. So I'm gonna do half of it first. So for those who are consistent viewers would have realized that I've been missing for a while. I uploaded a video a few days ago. It will be somewhere up here or up here. I've been working and some other things happened before that. So like the scheme that I'm at now never have no internet, so even if I wanted to record a video and upload it to YouTube, that still never did go work out, because we can't upload videos to YouTube with data, and Flow kinda not work with nobody. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with a small section like this. I don't think this will. I'm gonna spritz it. Check this out. You can use water or a leave-in, a water-based leave-in if you choose to.
What I'm gonna do is spray this section.
So you wanna make sure you do this on hair that's detangled, because it's not gonna turn out good if your hair tangled. So I'm gonna take the Eco Styler and I'm gonna, alright, I'm gonna take this much. Wait, no. I'm gonna take this much for this small section right here. Right here. I think this is too much, but yeah. And I'm just gonna rake that through. Alright. Okay. guys. No. No. Alright, but we can just take a moment to appreciate the length right now. Like, if you've seen any of my first YouTube videos, you see where my hair come from. If you never see it, then go and go watch it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the rest of this first section off camera and come back when that section is finished. So bye guys. Well, soon come. So I came back because I realized that I didn't really show you guys the technique I'm using. So after I rake through this, guys, I don't know, but no matter how much I detangle my hair is like, I don't know if I say, honestly. But after I run my finger through with the gel, I take away, well, I divide up that piece of hair and kind of twirl it. Small pieces. Just twirl it at the end. Don't know if y'all can see, but that's what I'm doing. So guys, I'm back, finished with the first section after 30 minutes, 25 minutes maybe, but yeah, tired. My neck hurting already, so can just imagine. I'm gonna reach nowhere yet, but this is what it's looking like right now. The white stuff is the gel. It's gonna go away when it's dry. So yeah, that's that. I'm gonna do the rest and I'll be back as soon as I'm done. So guys, this is what my hair is looking like after I've completed everything. This is what the back is looking like. I'm really happy with this, but stay tuned to see how it looks when it's dry. This is my hair the next morning, completely drying. Let me tell you, the shrinkage is real, but nonetheless, I'm really happy with how this turned out, mostly because I really love to wear afros, and this afro is everything to me right now. Comment down below your thoughts on this. If you made it to the end of the video, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.